Hi everybody, this is Justin from the IT department, and today we're going to be talking about how to set up your laptop on the Wildcat wireless network here on campus. The Wildcat network is different from the BP guest account, which a lot of students connect to because it offers more security and it gives you a more robust internet experience because the BP guest account is limited to what websites you can access and some different other things because of security reasons. So although this takes a little more time, it will you just need to do it once, and it'll have a much more full experience on the internet here on campus, and it'll also be faster. So that's a little bonus tip for you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look down at our tray down here, and you'll see that although it sees some connections, we're not connected to anything right now. So I'm going to have to first right-click on the little bars icon there, kind of looks like your cell phone bars, and click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Now from here, we're going to have to manage our wireless network. There's a button up here on the top. We're going to click that. And now my window is blank here. You might see a couple things if you've connected your computer to your wireless at home or in some other places. This will show all your wireless networks from the past in here. But we're going to create a new one. We're going to hit Add, and we're going to manually create a network profile by clicking this button. All right. Now, the wireless network here on campus is called Wildcat, and it is case sensitive, as it tells you there. So we have to type in Wildcat here with a capital W. That's what case sensitive means. So capital W-I-L-D-C-A-T. Okay. Now the next thing is choosing a security type, and we are going to be choosing the WPA2 Enterprise. That's what we have here on campus. Now the next thing you shouldn't have to change, it stays as AES. And you also should see that this is checked here. Start this connection automatically. You want that to stay checked as well. Okay, let's hit next. Now we're going to have to hit change connection settings to really get it set up for your personal account. And we get this next window, and we're going to have to click on the security tab up on the top here. Now from that tab, we're going to click on the settings button, and we want to uncheck validate server certificate. We don't want to have that checked, so we're going to click that to uncheck it, and then we're going to come down to configure down here and click on that and uncheck this as well. We don't want it to automatically use your Windows login name because that would it would try to connect to the network using your personal login information as opposed to the BayPath account that's set up for you. So we're going to uncheck that and then hit OK. Then we're going to hit OK down the bottom window as well. And then we're going to click on Advanced Settings. Now, we want to change this from computer authentication to user authentication, and then click Save Credentials. Now here is where you're going to put in your personal account. This is going to be the same thing you would use to log into your email. I'm going to use a default account here. You don't need to put the @BayPath part, just your username and then your password. So enter that there. When that's correct, hit OK. And now you just hit OK down here, hit OK again, and then close this out. Now it'll take a second, but this will eventually change to some white bars showing that we've made the connection. There it is. So now it's connected. It says baypath.edu. We are connected, getting full strength, and now we can do some browsing around the internet as much as you see fit. Alright, so that's it. That's all you have to do. And remember, although that is a bit of a process, it will give you the added benefits of security and other safety features while you're here on campus. And of course, it also speeds up your internet a little bit if you need one more extra reason. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. There will be other videos for connecting your iPhone, Android devices, or OS X Macintosh laptops as well. So check those out if that's the situation you're in. Thanks again.